Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a Luno account. Now, creating a Luno account is a very straightforward process, but here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, you can download the Luno mobile app from your device app store, which is Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or visit the Luno website on your computer. Then you can look for the sign up or get started button and click on it or tap on it. Now enter your valid email address or phone number. You use this for your account verification and communication. Now you just need to create a strong and secure password for your Luno account. Now Luno will send a verification code to your email address or your phone number. Enter this code to verify your account. You'll be asked to provide additional personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Luno, like most cryptocurrency platforms, require user verification to comply with regulations. This may involve providing a government-issued ID, which is a passport, a national ID, a driver's license, and others. And it will involve you taking a selfie. It will involve you providing proof of address. Now, you just need to follow this instruction provided by Luno to complete the verification process. Now, you need to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once all the information has been submitted and approved, your account will be active. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.